Good morning, everyone. As you all know that our literature fest is going on English week. So in the continuation of that series, today we have a virtual debate, and this time the topic is e-learning can replace traditional learning. So I think it's a very pertinent, a very important topic. We have two teams, in favor and against the motion. So I hope the teams are ready, and we will have a rebuttal round as well. The contestants are required to note down the points of their opponents. But yes, while someone is delivering the speech, don't interrupt in between. Okay, you can point out, you can write that point. After that, you can rebuttal that point. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, so I would start with this topic, and in favor we have Vibhanshi. Where is she? Yes, Vibhanshi. Quickly, beta, switch on your video and let's start. She would be speaking in favor. So the opponent team, that is those who are against the motion, beta, please note down some points so that she and her team can rebut that. I hope it is clear. Yes, class. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Yes, Vibhanshi, go ahead. Yes, Vibhanshi, go ahead.
I personally think that e-learning is a very good substitute for classroom learning. Why do I say this? Because people have different pace of learning. And I believe that e-learning allows students to take as much time as they want. And if they want to speed up their learning process, they can. In e-learning, students will not have distraction from other students, and the thing can be completed at time, which is more convenient for students.
Okay. Is it all? Vibhanshi, is it all? Okay. I think yes. The opponent team Part has a question. Yes. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Yes, Part. What's your question?
Ma'am, I am in the favor only.
Acha, you are in the favor only. Okay. Anyone? Opponent team, you have a question? Opponent team, you have a question? Beta, just
Yes,
say
ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, love coach. Yes, beta, please go ahead. Yes, beta, go ahead.
Ma'am, there's a lot of distraction in classroom, but there's not less distraction in the home also. And in home, we have so much distraction. Like we have so many games in this, so children get easily distracted.
Yes, the opponent team, what's your answer? Yes, as a team also you can answer, beta. Yes, very important question he has just raised. Yes, Vibhanshi and team, that is those who are in favor. I can see Parth, Anukalp, Suhani, Tanisha, Cheshta, anyone. Yes, Parth would like to answer you. Yes, Parth, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like Lavkur shared that there are distractions at home. So in school as well, there might be distractions like while we are studying. So there is a healthy environment in the class. So there are few students who might try to distract the class from the topic. So they just poke some jokes, or they some crack some jokes. So in e-learning, there is no scope for that, as teacher can mute that person, or teacher can just allow the only that child who want to ask a question or answer.
Okay. I think this time the team in favor has received 1 point because very well answered. Okay, yes, the next speaker we have Sneha. She is against the motion, so she would be starting. And yes, the team in favor. Okay, please be ready. Yes, Sneha, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I want to say that e-learning is particularly based on the mobiles or laptops. But the child's safety is first major challenge in online classroom environment among parents and schools. Cyberbullying and cybercrimes on the rise, and students are soft targets for these criminals. So what can be done for that?
Oh, yes, a very pertinent question again. Yes, I can see again Vibhanshi, Part, Tanisha also. Tanisha, yes, go ahead. Yes, Tanisha, with your question. Yes, go ahead.
Like to say that in that Sneha says that that we can work from home also. Like in traditional learning, we have to go in a particular place like school, and from this e-learning on online classes, as we can work from anywhere. If somebody is going on a vacation, that also we can take classes and do learning.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Would you like to answer it? Yes. I think except parts, the opponent team. Yes. Anukalp, Suhani, Cheshta. Yes. Sargam. What you would like to reply? Yes, Sargam, go ahead. Yes, Sargam, reply.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Tanisha said that anyone can do his or her at home only. But since there is no one to supervise any student when he is working at home and evaluate his progress, you need for any progress or doing any work, you need a great amount of motivation and discipline, which we can get from school only.
Okay, a very good point, I must say. A very good point she has raised. Okay, let's now. I will take a speaker in against the motion, and that is, I think, Lavkush. Yes, Lavkush. Are you ready, beta? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Hello.
Wait. Yes, the team in favor. Wait. The team in favor. Please be ready with your points. Hannah, let him first. Don't interrupt him in between. Let him just first. Complete his speech. Yes, beta. Start.
The most biggest advantage of offline classes is we can have face-to-face contact with the teacher, which helps in concept getting more clearer. And we also have libraries from which we get extra books, so we can get extra more knowledge about different things.
Okay. That's it, beta. And any other points you would like to add? Yes, Lavkush. Any other points you would like to add?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, also there is a punctuality in offline classes. We have to come to the class at a time, but in offline classes, and the students are coming at any time. What they are thinking, like 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes. There is no punctuality.
Okay. Any other point which you would like to express? Any other point? Yes. Any other point?
Ma'am, also we have.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Let him
also we
first.
have extra.
Yes, Lavkush.
Ma'am, also we have extracurricular activities from like games, music, and dance, which leads to more career options and physical and mental growth of our mind and body.
Okay. Well said. Yes.
Ma'am, I am in the favor side. I want to against side. I want to add two more points. That is that e-learning is out of reach for many students. Also, many students, especially those attending government schools, are being deprived of education during the pandemic as they don't have access to online facilities. Secondly, looking at a screen for long period of time can be harmful. The light emitted from the screen can strain children's eyes and could lead to vision problems throughout their lives. Because of this, only Maharashtra has banned online classes for pre-primary to class 2nd, whereas Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh have extended their ban till class 5th.
Okay. Well said. I think she has put a very relevant point. Anyone who would like to revert her point? Anyone? Okay. Just give me a minute. Wait. Sir, with us.
Good morning. Good
sir.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, today they are having a virtual debate, and the topic which we have taken is e-learning can replace traditional learning. So
Beautiful. Nice.
So they are debating on like that point. So can we continue, or sir, you would like to express like shower your blessings, or would you like to say something to them, or should we continue?
No, rather I would like to be an audience.
Okay,
Right?
yes, Anukal. Are you ready, beta? Yes, Anukal?
Yes.
Okay, beta, till
Yes,
she is
ma'am.
joining us back. Yes, let's go. Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, according to Sneha said that the students not joining online classes, ma'am, but by a conscious students attend online classes more than classroom learning. The percent of the students attending online classes ranges from 20 to 25%, while classroom learning ranges from 8 to 10%.
Okay, that's all for your points. Any other relevant points you would like to add? Yes, Anukal. Any other relevant points you would like to add?
Yes, ma'am, and the Lafco said that we cannot enhance our abilities in classroom, but ma'am, we can enhance our abilities in e-learning too. Because in the time we get after online classes, we can learn a new skill, like learn a new language, but in classroom learning, we cannot.
Okay, according to you, we cannot learn new skills in the classroom. Okay, I think this point can be rebut as well. Yes, the opponent team. Yes, beta, please go ahead with your rebuttal. Yes, go ahead. Yes, beta. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say that Anukal said that the range of percent in online classes is more. we can see the example in, as you know, that there are 21 students here only, and in classes we have around 32, and in when we go to school we have around 28 to 29 students. And secondly, I want to say that the traditional class enables us to celebrate festivals as well in school. For example, Independence Day, we can celebrate annual function which can't be celebrated online.
Okay, okay. Well, I think a very relevant point. Yes, class. I think the debate is heating up, and I can see those who are against the motion. They are, just having very pertinent, very, relevant points. So yes, the team in favor. Just buck up the team in favor. Yes, we have Tanisha. Yes, Tanisha, please go ahead with your points. Yes, Tanisha.
Can you just give me some time for that?
Okay, till then we have like against the motion, we have Navya. Is Navya here? Yes, Navya. Better please go with, she is against the motion. Yes, Navya. Go ahead.
Sometimes in small cities and towns are having network issue. For that, what we can do?
Okay, okay. Any other relevant point, beta? Any other relevant point you would like to add? Yes, beta. Any other relevant point you would like to add?
Ma'am, Sneha had it already, so Sneha and
Okay, okay. So I would like. Wait. So yes, has Cheshta joined us back? No, she has not yet joined us back. Yes, Parth would like to say something. Yes, Parth, go ahead. Yes, Parth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am just rebuttal many topics which shared by the opponent team. So first is cyber crime, something which was shared by Sneha, I think. So in that there are particular software developed for this purpose only, to protect the privacy of one using any app or any application. So while developing any of the application, it is being taken in care that privacy should be must. Then in second, Lavkush told that in school there are libraries as well. So in e-learning there is a platform, online platform Google. In library there is something that you can just only lend, or you can just only take 2 to 3 books. But Google, there is no limitations. You can download as much books as you want. So if one want to learn many books, see many books, so he can learn without going anywhere outside from his house. But there was a point mentioned, that time punctuality. So in offline classes or in traditional learning, it took time for a teacher to leave one class and to enter in another class. So it becomes very difficult for a teacher. But in in online classes, it does like there is a 10 minute or any time period break, so teacher can extend the class, it can end, and it takes less than 5 seconds for a teacher to start the class. Then in skills and something, there are also online dance class, music class, computer coding class, etc, etc. So we can learn that thing also without traveling anywhere. So it reduces the cost of traveling. Vision problem, like mentioned by Sneha. Then in that problem, I would like to mention that excess of something is harmful, not using something. So if you use anything, it can be anything in excess amount. So that's going to harm you not using anything. So it not like you should not use any mobile phone or something. So and last point I would like to say that annual function point. So in this uh, annual function can also be organized as in online class. There are many ways in which time is being saved. So extended manner also, so in that way they will also complete the course, and they will have excess of time to arrange extracurriculum activities like we are having today one debate competition. So that's all.
Okay, I think the way Parth has defended his topic, I think he needs an applause. Though the winner would be decided later on, but the way he has put points, I think we can applaud him. Very good. So yes, I think he is full of enthusiasm. The team in favor. I think. Do you have some points to counter attack him? Yes. Yes. Wait.
Ma'am Sargam.
Yes, Sargam. Go ahead. Yes, Sargam. Go ahead. Yes, Sargam.
I want to ask from Parth that subjects like medicine and engineering cannot be taught online because it emphasis on practical, not on theory.
Ma'am, may I reply her?
Wait, let's first collect all the questions. Beta, let's first collect all the questions. Yes, we have
May I add some?
yes, sorry, I am not able to listen. Who is this? May I? Yes, beta. Sorry. Hello.
May I, Sneha, add something?
Yes, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Neha, go ahead.
Yes, as Parth said that excess amount of use can defect our eyes. I want to give my example only. As before classes, I was not having spectacles, but after classes, I'm having spectacles. And for example, the ancient people have above 80 ages also don't have weak eyes because they don't use TVs, not televisions, not any phones. But nowadays, students from a very young age have spectacles on their eyes as well. And I also want to speak that some are practical subjects. For example, biology, chemistry, which can be understood by their labs. As our school also have bio lab and chemistry lab. And secondly, physical activities is very important as well with the mental abilities, as games period can be played in school only.
I think the last point is a very relevant point. Yes, Parth, I think you seem to be the most enthusiastic one. You seem to counterattack her again. Yes, yes. No issues. Go ahead. No issues. I really like enthusiasm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like Sargam mentioned, and Sneha also mentioned the same point that medical and engineering can't be taught in online classes as it requires practical things. If I would just take an example of medical student, that if a teacher is explaining something that there are tissues, adipose, limb tissue, there are muscular glands, etc., and they take some names which a person don't know, even know that what they are. But in online class, if a teacher just share a screen or show a video, so in that it will see the practical example of how the things work. In offline class, it is not possible to just dissect any person and just let the things happen in that. So in medical student, we need a video lecture, and but in engineering student as well, like if you are doing software in engineering, so in that as well, what you will do, write coding on the board like http html dot slash etc. For that also you need a computer.
Part. Okay, yes, Part. Okay. I think we need to give a chance to everyone. So we have Cheshta also. Yes, Cheshta, I think you are in favor, beta. Please go ahead. Okay, yes, Cheshta, please go ahead, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, go ahead.
Sneha said that eye damage is causing in children. Ma'am, Sneha said that eye damage is causing in children. Ma'am, I'm against it because with the advancement of technology, we are overcoming many problems. Like in earlier times, teacher did not used to teach on extra marks and PPT and all, but today they are doing so. So I think that this problem will be cured in future with the advancement of technology.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, of course, go ahead.
Ma'am, part one said about that punctuality. Means teacher need to go up and down. I did not talk about the punctuality of a teacher. I talked about the children. Children are attending very late, 5 to 10 minutes late. They are not caring about. But in offline classes, you have to be present at that time only. If the teacher has arrived, you have to arrive first.
Yes, right.
Before the teacher.
Okay.
And
yes,
what
ma'am.
part
Sometimes
of the
we have to
library
leave
thing?
the meeting.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, what part about the library
Okay.
thing? We can download books from Google. I know this. But what the point is, we do not get all the books in Google. Means I have also searched many books to get, but I didn't got some books from Google. Only we could get from the library.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I reply?
Wait. I think just note down the. I think you are against. Yes, you are against the motion. Yes, but go ahead.
As the opponent team said that, ma'am, we have PPT presentations that can be only can be presented on the screen, and that, ma'am, we have smart classes in schools also that teacher can explain through that also, and it was available in the schools before online classes, so there is no point of.
Okay. Yes, Vibhanshi, I think I have been receiving your messages. You are eager to speak something. Yes, Vibhanshi, go ahead. Yes, beta, please go ahead.
Ma'am, first I would like to
Gauri,
tell.
ma'am.
Yes. Beta,
Event. This is not Yeah, this is not a competition. This is simply an activity which is giving you all an open opportunity to learn debating skill and to understand very clearly, very explicitly also what debate is. I am very happy to observe it that this initiative has been taken and Madam has given you a very good platform to come up with it. Moreover, I would like you to come up with rich vocabulary as well. I was liking your opinion when on basis of the information that you have spoken. Well, everything has its merits and demerits, children. So online classes, they have their own merits, and we could not have of these online classes. The education during this pandemic, had there not been the introduction of the online or the digital classes anyway. Even the education of medical science and engineering science is also possible through virtual activity. We have, now the science has advanced a lot. We have augmented reality. You must have heard about augmented reality. With the help of the cameras, with the help of augmented reality 3D camera, this is possible to have the practical feeling realization of all the physical components, right, without virtually bearing them, right? It happens while it will give you a feeling that you are exercising upon a physical body, you are making a dissection on it, you are making a surgery on it, or you are being given a visualization of some surgery sort of scene or visuality of it. Similarly, in engineering also, you through 3D models of machines, by the means of virtual classes, you can be given a virtual feeling of working with the machines, whether this is a lathe machine or the big machines or sort of things. Moreover, for the labs also, laboratory labs, we have the facility of OLabs, right? So with the help of OLabs, the feeling or the the realization of working in the virtual labs can be given with the help of the digital labs. So now the science and technology, they have advanced a lot. Moreover, one of the children, he had spoken of the non-availability of books. We have the paid subscription of some of the world famous libraries, where from you can get access of almost all the rare books, which otherwise you will have to go physically, which are not available in the library of our own country. Even the libraries of Oxford, Harvard, universities, they can be accessed with the comfort of your home, but only thing is you require to access their paid subscription for it. All right. So children, I am very much happy, but I would like you to prosper in this art of debating day by day. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much, all children.
Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence. Thank you, sir, so much for your
Thank
gracious
you, sir.
presence. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.